I'm warning you, Chloe, the grass is wet. You don't like wet grass. Go potty. I just finished the gym. Such a great 30-minute workout. I am starting to feel like I'm coming down with a cold though. I gotta start bringing my Lysol wipes, because I swear the gym is like the dirtiest place. But I intended on doing a Stairmaster workout, but people were using them, and I have a few errands to run before I go back home. So unfortunately, I won't get to do my Stairmaster workout, but I'll try for tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow I won't come at like 10 o'clock. But, so I started watching the series when I was doing my workout, and it's called American Son. Oh my goodness, so good. So if you're looking for something new to watch on Netflix, definitely check out American Son. It is a great series. Okay, now I'm gonna head to do some errands. I have to run by the library and the post office. Then I'm gonna go home and we can do a little get ready. See you guys in a few.
What kind of stuff you want today?
Hi, can I get a venti iced coffee with cream with no regular syrup and 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla and 1 pump of sugar-free cinnamon dolce?
I just beaming, I ain't never met her. I felt like I had to compete with her. This the type of booty.
You guys, this, whew, if you are a parent of a black boy, if you care about black issues, if you, I need to put a pin right there. If you are in an interracial relationship and you have a black child, if you're the product of an interracial relationship, oh my goodness, the issues it touches on like being a black woman married to a white man, having a mixed race child, and not having the father understand like what you really go through as the mother of a black child. I mean, I don't have a black son, but this series is so good. Like American Son, it's a great series. Wow. When I was larger, I couldn't fit it, so I'm in this chambray top. I do need to put a pin here because those of us who are busty, you know the struggle. And then I'm wearing my 7 jeans. They're too big for me though. I'm kind of in that stage of weight loss where my larger size clothes are way too big, but the smaller size is a little too snug. So yeah, dealing with that. But let me get ready and I'll talk to you guys in a few. Okay, I also want to share with you guys that today we will be organizing my vanity, because as you can see, it is quite a mess. Mainly I need to find a system for my lipsticks. These are maybe 90% of my lipsticks, and it's just yeah. But I'm trying to find like a separate storage container for my lipsticks so they can be organized by color and like drawer that way, because I find that when I'm putting on makeup, I'm really just going to my favorite like 3 or 4 colors. So I figured if I have them organized by color in different drawers, I'll be more likely to look through all of them, and when I'm going for a specific color, it will be easy to locate them. So I need something like that. I think I'm also going to get some type of organization to put on top of this big drawer system, and I need a brush cup. I found all of this at Target, so I need to make another Target order and we can go pick that up later today. I wonder how many carbs is in this.
Yeah.
Like
yeah. You can, we'll save it right there.
You want to say hi, Chloe? Say hi. It's been hours since I vlogged, but I'm waiting for my family to go to dinner, so I'm gonna do a quick 10-minute strength training. You want to do a kettlebell workout? So I'm gonna do a quick workout. I figured I would show you guys. This is the 10-minute routine that I do every night before going to bed. I don't always do it before going to bed, but I make sure I get it done before I go to bed. So let's get it done. And you guys, excuse my extra big pants that don't fit anymore. This is what happens when you lose a substantial amount of weight. But I know you want to play, but I wanted to just show you guys that even when I have like idle time, I find time to fit in a workout. That's only a 5-pound kettlebell, but it's something. When I go down to my home gym, I think I do like 10-pound weight exercises, and it's very different from this. I keep this on this floor so that when I'm sitting around watching TV, I can stand up and get active. I usually do about 10 minutes and it burns 100 calories. As you can see, you can do it in some regular clothes. Just make sure they're not restrictive. I'm just happy to be wearing this shirt. Like, it used to be so tight, but anyway, you can do this in your regular clothes as long as they're not too restrictive. This is me doing it while I'm waiting for my family to go eat dinner. I literally just try to get in a workout any place I can. Sometimes if I don't feel like going to the gym, I will run in place for 10 minutes and do it 3 times a day to close my ring. My goal is to be active every day, no matter if it's just doing something simple like that for 10 minutes. And Chloe likes to watch me. You wanna say hi? Say hi, mama. You don't wanna say hi? Okay. So I just wanted to share that with you guys. I'm hot and sweaty now, but I feel accomplished that I got another 10-minute workout in, like, by any means necessary. I have on my full clothes. I have on Uggs. I don't have on my sneakers, but that's just important to me, and anybody can do that if you can lift, you know, a little bit of weight. So yeah, that is like the last workout routine that I do every day. So yeah, we're gonna go eat dinner, and then I have a couple more errands to run. I feel like that's all I do on the weekends. But anyway, I'll see you guys in a few. It's 8:48. I'm at Target because I wanted to get, this is the whole point of today's vlog. I'm supposed to be organizing my makeup collection, so I'm trying to see if they have some things that I need. I'm so exhausted though, so if we have to finish this, if I have to finish filming tomorrow, then I will do that. But let's see if Target has what your girl needs. Okay, I know I want this. This is definitely smaller than I thought, but this will work too. So I'm looking for Sterilite drawers. Here we go. Found it. It is cheaper online. I'm gonna ask for a price adjustment. I think this will be perfect for my lippies. Just want something I can separate them in, because what I have on my Vanity is that. Yep. Ah. Okay, this is perfect. Good morning, guys. Let me take my vitamin. I remember. What am I trying to say? I was so tired after dinner and going to Target. So I've worked out, gone to the grocery store, and I just wanted to share with you guys what I got this week. And this is like It's not a full week of groceries because I'm going out of town this week, but I still wanted to show you guys what I got. So first I have this ground turkey. I am a beef eater, but on this health journey, I'm trying to branch out and try new things. And this is one of the things I'm going to try. I went to a grand opening a few weeks ago, and the woman who cooked made these little taco wonton cups, and they were using ground turkey. The texture is a little chewier and soft, but it tasted really good. And the day after, I didn't feel like overly full and nasty how I feel when I have ground beef in my tacos. So tonight I'm gonna make tacos, gonna use ground turkey. I'm sure it's gonna be fine, but that is something I'm branching out and trying. Let's see. That's my Jesus calling app. It must be noon. Yes. Okay. So another thing I got is this Simple Truth cooked shrimp with the tail on. I'm gonna make tacos for half of the week, and the other half of the week I'm making shrimp and spinach. That is one of my absolute favorite meals just because it is so healthy. And this is shrimp without preservatives, antibiotics, and hormones. And I try to eat like this when I can. These were on sale this week, so I decided to pick them up. I got the Kroger flour tortillas with 6 grams of net carbs. I also got the Kroger brand. Your girl loves a good generic, like especially Kroger and Publix, but Publix is too expensive. Mexican style blend cheese for my tacos. I got sugar-free French vanilla creamer. Can't wait to have coffee again. I'm gonna have some after I finish this. I got some Ortega taco seasoning. This is the lower sodium version. You guys know I don't cook with salt, and when I use seasonings, if I can get a low salt version, I do. Plastic straws, okay? I know those of you guys who are on Team Save the Planet are going to roast me in the comments. Just like I said about my food consumption, I'm sorry, I can't be like on the ball and perfect with everything. I like plastic straws, okay? What do I do that's good for the environment? I should start recycling again. I'm sorry, I love a plastic straw. I can't help it. Like, I can't help it. I hate paper tampon straws. They are so stupid. And I hate every time I go to Miami and I'm at the resort and I have to use a paper straw. I know you guys feel me. We're here. Like, I'm sorry. I had to get a jumbo thing of plastic straws. I also got some Kroger brand aluminum foil. I usually use, what's the brand of aluminum foil? I don't know. I usually use that brand, but I use the Kroger brand to take off my gel polish. So that's that. Certain things I like generic, but certain things I feel like Reynolds. That's what it is. Certain things I like to have the known brand that I know is good. Okay, so this is something new that I picked up. These are the Zone Perfect Carb Wise vanilla ice cream little protein drinks. They have 4 grams of net carbs, 30 grams of protein, and 1 gram of fat, 21 vitamins and minerals, no sugar added, no soy, no gluten. Now, they have Zone Perfect keto drinks, but those, I think they were $1 more. I really wanted to get the Slim Fast Keto Fat Bombs because a couple of you ladies have been telling me about those, but they were like $14 at Kroger and they're $10 at Target, but my Target was out of stock. So I was not about to pay that, so I just decided to get these. So I'm gonna use this as like a meal replacement during the day. I've never tried anything like that, like this, but we'll see. Okay, all you recyclable, save the planet people, close your eyes again. I got paper plates. I'm sorry, you guys. Like, some things have to be for convenience, and I don't like doing dishes, so and I have to wash pots and pans, so yes, I do get paper plates. I'm sorry, but then again, I'm not. I don't know. I can't be perfect, guys, and I'm okay with that. I know that I'm destroying the environment. Blame it on me. I also got a white onion. So that is everything I picked up from the store this week. Oh, and I have a pack of water that's in the trunk. We're gonna go upstairs. I'm looking so slim. I'm gonna go upstairs to clear off my vanity, and we're gonna do some vanity remodeling, not really, organization, and use those things that I bought last night. So let's get to that. My vanity. Now what I'm gonna do, I will link these items down below, but this is the Sterilite 3-drawer small system. You guys are sitting on the large one, and that is what I keep my makeup in, just because these are fairly inexpensive. Like, there's a lot of acrylic makeup systems, but I don't know, I'm not spending $40 just to store makeup. So got this from good old Target, and I'm going to put all my lipsticks in here. My next bag, I have a brush cup holder. I will link this, of course. Okay, well, I'm gonna peel that off later, but I'm gonna put in here all of my most used makeup brushes. Previously, I was casing them in like a brush belt and then a brush portfolio, but I like having them standing up. I do think I'm gonna get some type of protective mesh cover to place over it, just so they don't get dusty, because that's my biggest fear. That's why I never had a brush cup. But this is so cute with the gold accent around the rim. So now my brushes have a home. We can clear up some of the space on my vanity and it won't look so bad. I'm gonna put my eyebrow brush in there lightly. I also have this to go on top of my system, which I will show you. I probably should have gotten 2 of these, but I didn't want to go overboard. In here, I'm going to keep things that I use every day, like my everyday foundation, concealer, bronzer, my favorite lipsticks of the moment, my eyebrow gel, things like that. Okay, so this is my makeup main storage. I have face products, cheek products, and now these are lip glosses and liquid lipsticks. So I've placed my foundation and like all my everyday products. Then I have my brush cup. I keep floss right there. Got a little candle in the back. This is still a work in progress. Eventually, and by eventually I mean by the end of today, I need to straighten all this up so that I can move this to right there. But I have put all my lippies in here. Well, all my standard lipsticks. So I have my deep, dark, and bold shades. These are reds, blues, greens, all those type of colors. And here I have some reds. I have oranges and pinks. I also have purple in the bottom. And then the top, I have nudes and nudie pinks. So I'm hoping this will help keep me organized. Basically, this is the size of one of these because all those were in here. But I'm thinking this will help keep me a little organized. That way, if I'm going for a particular look and I want to use something that's green and a lipstick, if I have it, it's in here. If I want a purple or a pink, it would be in here. And I have nudes on the top. So I'm hoping that that helps me. I don't know about you guys, but keeping my vanity organized is a constant struggle. I try to just clean everything once a week. I try to do my makeup brushes, my beauty blender, all of that once a week. So hopefully I can keep this up. But this is a continued work in progress. I still need more storage solutions for like my palettes and everything. I'll continue to update you guys during Blogmas about how this vanity comes together. But yeah, I'm going to film a few videos today and I know it's going to get trashed. The struggle. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun sharing these things with you guys. Like I said, all the storage and organization solutions will be linked down below, and I will see you guys in the next video tomorrow. Bye.